In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set transparent background image in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want a photo to sit behind your content without overpowering your text, a transparent background is the perfect solution. Let's set it up step by step. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and navigating to the slide where you want this background. You can do this on a new slide or an existing one. The process is the same. If you already have text on the slide, even better. It'll help you judge readability as you go. Now go to the Design tab at the top. On the far right, click Format Background. A panel opens on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll control everything about the slide's background. In that panel, choose Picture or Texture Fill. Then click Insert and select from File. Browse to your image, select it, and click Insert. PowerPoint places the picture behind all your content as a true background, so you won't accidentally move it while you're editing. Next, adjust the transparency. Look for the transparency slider in the same panel. Dragging to the right makes the image more transparent and lighter. Dragging to the left makes it less transparent and stronger. Move the slider slowly and keep an eye on your text. The goal is simple. Your headlines and body copy should be easy to read at a glance. Depending on the image, a subtle fade is often all you need. If your text still competes with the photo, push the slider further right. If the background looks washed out, bring it back left until the image has a gentle presence without stealing focus. Once you're happy with the look, choose how widely to apply it. If this background is only for the current slide, you're all set. No extra clicks needed. If you want the same transparent image across your entire presentation, click Apply to All in the panel. PowerPoint will copy that background to every slide, giving your deck a consistent, polished feel. And that's it. You've set a transparent background image in PowerPoint quickly and cleanly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.